So the next piece we're going to use a recording on because it kind of goes a little quickly and that might play better to us. I think any group of 8th, 9th, 10th grade girls could do this piece. It's very rhythmic, but it's very repetitive. So it I think would teach easily enough that they wouldn't get tired of it. Joyce found measure 8, last measure, or second system, that should be up an octave in the piano, right-hand piano. Other than that, I think we're ready to record. So, how do we conduct 8/8? The 5x7 frame turned sideways. 1, 1. You cannot jab the beat and not keep moving. That's what I see a lot with conductor. You get. That's not 8/8. That's just a mess. You have to extend it. If your rebound is quick, you're cut. Okay? And the students will get that they can't read it very well. That's when things start to get messy. So in front of a mirror, before you get in front of the students, you try that. Okay? The holly and the ivy.
Wait, question.
Yes.
5 over 4 at measure 21. Would you ever switch to 4/4 conducting, or would you stay in the 8 pattern? Because the soprano line on page 5 goes into a 4/4.
No, it's their problem.
Okay.
Yeah, you got to stick with the main thrust of it.
What about a 29? Certainly you'd switch there, right?
Yes. Yeah. Where it's all even, yes. But you really couldn't do
Just
the other
making
one.
sure.
Now,
Somebody out there had
that makes how you get from one to the other important. So if you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, up, up, up. 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2. So you pull further and then go into the 4. Okay?